Hey guys, so this is the iPhone XS. You are looking at the official first look of the iPhone XS thanks to the 95 Mac. Along with that, we also have our first look at the official new Apple Watch Series 4. And if you don't know, Apple will be announced these products on September 12th event called as special event on Steve Jobs Theater. So Apple will be launch 3 iPhones on that event, the 5.8-inch and 6.5-inch iPhones with AMOLED displays, while the 6.1-inch LCD iPhone, which may be called iPhone 9, will also be announced at the same event. It will have same internals as the iPhone XS but with a 6.1-inch LCD display and with single rear camera. That's why it will cost $650 to $700, and the sales of this iPhone 9 will start in October. So now talking about the iPhone XS, so it will have the 5.8-inch display and the Plus version will have 6.5-inch display, and both are come with OLED and with an edge-to-edge display, while the 6.1-inch iPhones will have little bit bezels on the sides and on the bottom because of the LCD panel. The iPhone XS family will have dual rear cameras but now with better sensors but with same amount of megapixels. Now as for the internals, it will have the Apple A12 CPU built on the 7nm process, which will be the most powerful chip. Along with that, it will have the beastly powered GPU. On the Plus version, we will likely see a 4GB of RAM, while the normal 5.8-inch version will have 3GB. In the XS Plus model, you will definitely see a bigger battery. I think it will go above 3000 mAh because the phone is so big, so we can definitely expect above 3000, maybe 3500 or 3700 mAh. And not only that, you're gonna see a slightly bigger battery on the 5.8-inch XS model as well. The software that is operating these products, obviously the iOS 12. So yeah, along with this, we have our first look at the Apple Watch Series 4, which is coming with redesigned look. It's an edge-to-edge display, it's thinner and a little bit bigger in size, and also with a new upgraded internals. So yeah, this is the official gold color look of the iPhone XS along with this Apple Watch 4. Now let me know what do you guys think about it. Are you guys excited for the new iPhones and especially for the cheaper iPhone? Let me know in the comments down below, and it would mean so much to me if you could like this video and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.